Have you ever wondered why we hiccup? Well, hiccups are actually caused by a sudden contraction of the diaphragm muscle. When the diaphragm contracts, it pulls down on the lungs, causing air to rush in. This sudden rush of air can cause the vocal cords to close, producing the classic hic sound. There are many home remedies for getting rid of hiccups, but holding your breath and drinking water are among the most popular. While the exact cause of hiccups is still unknown, some common triggers include overeating, drinking carbonated beverages, and even stress. So next time you get the hiccups, remember, it's just your diaphragm having a little spasm.